For an ecosystem to survive, there must be a chain of production and transfer of energy, the natural and the most important source of which is the what? Fossil, water, sun, or plant. Alright, sige. Si sun po. Walang iba kundi si sun. Okay? So, because of the sun, si ecosystem is nandyan. Okay? Because yung energy po, it will enter the ecosystem as si sunlight, yung energy ni sunlight is being transferred patungo sa producers going to the consumers. 'Di ba? Ano tawag natin sa ano dito? Sa parang structure. Kasi merong structure po ito. Merong structure. Ito si food chain at saka si food web. Si food chain is yan yung linear. Remember ha? Food chain, linear. Food web is interconnected or intertwined. Please remember the two.